Macomb County in northeastern Colorado, north central Adams County in northeastern Colorado, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles southeast of Barnesville to near Robin to 10 miles. Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm. Adams County in northeastern Colorado. 30 miles west of Fort Morgan to 27 miles northeast of Denver, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Quarter 5 here. Source: north central Adams County in northeastern Colorado until 5. Seems like the thunderstorms will be near right around 5:05 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Riverside Reservoir will be near right around 5. Move to an interior room on the lowest. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms